Hey everyone, it's Rylan with Rylan's Amazing Photography, and you can see the steam coming from when I talk. It is so cold outside right now. Earlier today I came back to the blind and I spread some corn and some birdseed because there's an absolute ton of snow out, as you all have seen, and there's already a whole lot of birds back here. I've been back here for like 2 minutes. I've seen a dark-eyed junco, I've seen a tufted titmouse, and I've seen a white-breasted nuthatch. On my way back here, I also seen a song sparrow. So there's a ton of birds back here. It's pouring snow right now, and I'm getting some really good shots. So let's go ahead and get back into the video, and let's get things started. So right now there are still an absolute ton of birds outside. So far I have seen a white-breasted nuthatch, a tufted titmouse, a dark-eyed junco, a red-bellied woodpecker, and a song sparrow. I haven't got pictures of all of those subjects, but I have quite a few of them. I've seen multiple of some of them. There have been quite a few white-breasted nuthatch. There have been quite a few tufted titmice. There's not a whole lot of activity going on. Most of them are just kind of flying back and forth and getting some birdseed out of the feeder and getting some corn off the ground. So I'm really glad that I spread that for them earlier today. With the snow, it's harder for birds to find food, so they're more likely to come and partake of the birdseed and the corn and eat some of that, which is working out really well for me right now. I'm going to be here for quite a while because I'm getting some amazing photos and some amazing footage for today's video. So I'm so stoked that this is going on right now. The only thing that could possibly make this better is if we seen a deer come out in the snow. That would be absolutely gorgeous and absolutely beautiful. But the shots that I'm getting right now, these birds are absolutely stunning, and I'm so pleased with how this is going right now. Oh, there's a really good shot right there. Oh, see, it's just like, just in a brief moment, a bird can perch in a beautiful spot, and then you can lose it just as fast as it perched. So you really got to be at the top of your game. You've got to be able to move fast and be ready to capture the brilliant shot of a beautiful animal. And you can still just see the steam coming out of my mouth. I have a heater on behind me because it is so cold outside. It's like 20 degrees, maybe in the teens, and it's supposed to be in single digits tonight, which I'm not a fan of. So I love the snow, I don't love the cold. So I guess I just have to take them both together. something that I'm finding so interesting at the moment is that how territorial the white-breasted nuthatches are with the bird feeder. Anytime another bird tries to get in there and get some seed, the white-breasted nuthatches try to run them off, which is really funny to watch because the white-breasted nuthatch just lunges into the feeder out of nowhere. You might be able to see some of the snow. It's just blowing right in my face, right through the window right now. And it's pretty cold, but at least I've got a heater back here that's keeping me pretty good and warm. I actually just watched like 2 white-breasted nuthatches getting into a fight over the feeder. One of them got in there and the other one didn't like it, and they just flew around and chased each other, and one of them had a seed and one was trying to take it from the other. I didn't get any like real good shots of them fighting or anything because it was just so fast. It was like woo, woo, woo. But it was pretty cool and pretty interesting to watch. I'm hoping that some more birds are going to show up besides the ones that I'm photographing right now. These ones are great, but as you all know, something that I love to photograph in general and something that I especially love to photograph in the snow is cardinals. Whether it be a female or a male, I would love to have a cardinal show up. That would be beautiful, and now that I'm saying this, it's possible that I'm hearing the chirp of a cardinal, so I'm getting really excited. I'm going to check that out and see if I see one. I'm about to have a heart attack. There's a deer in the snow. It's where I can't get a photo, but it's coming down. I'm freaking out. I've dreamed of this happening for so long. I cannot blow this. I cannot screw this up. Oh my god, I'm going to freak out. Did not go exactly as I hoped and exactly as I planned. I saw the deer when I turned around to the window, and I actually think she saw me, and ever since she saw me she was a little skittish. She did come back around to this side though, and I got some pretty good, decent close-up shots of her out this window, and then back here on the door behind me, you can kind of see the little peephole right here. The last couple shots I took through that peephole, so I was shooting through glass and they weren't the best shots, but I'm just happy that that happened. I was sitting here praying, like, please let this deer come down. I'm not kidding, I was sitting here praying that this deer come down. It didn't come down, but nonetheless I still got some really good photos, so I'm pleased. She kept looking into the woods, like she was looking for more maybe, so I'm not sure. It's possible that these deer, well, this deer and maybe some more will come back. That's really what I'm hoping for right now. But nonetheless, I did get what I wanted for so long, which was a deer picture in the snow. And yeah, I can't complain. I really can't. You all saw I was freaking out. I was not at the top of my game, but was just so unexpected. I just turned around and there she was. Yeah, it wasn't a huge deer, but it was a very beautiful one. So hopefully might see some more deer. I might not, but nonetheless, there are still a bunch of birds out back here, and I'm going to get some more beautiful photos of them. My adrenaline is still just pumping from the whole deer thing, but it's been a while since I've checked in with you all. There is now a white-throated sparrow here. I briefly seen some sort of sparrow a second ago, but I didn't get a shot of it. I couldn't tell what species of sparrow it was either. There's still a whole lot of white-breasted nuthatch, a bunch of tufted titmice, and the most recent development is there is a cardinal back in this direction. It's not close enough, and it's not at a good angle for me to get a photo yet, similar to the deer. But I think it'll be headed this way soon because it's going to want some birdseed and such. So hopefully I'll get another photo that is definitely going to be a favorite of mine, very similar to the deer. Oh my gosh, I just can't get over that. I'm so pumped about that. I just hope that the shots looked okay. Stuck around for the first time ever. I just seen a blue jay in the snow, and I also just seen a Carolina wren in the snow. I didn't get any pictures of the Carolina wren yet. I think it's still out there, and I didn't get any video of the blue jay, but still it was awesome to see both of them in the snow. I have seen a wren in the snow before, but I've never really gotten great pictures, so hopefully that's about to happen. And yeah, I'm still really stoked to be being here. Thank you all so much for taking the time to watch today's video. I had an absolute amazing time out here in the field. Even though it's freezing cold and snowing, there were so many beautiful birds, and I had the experience to photograph that beautiful deer in the snow. And it was just such a good day for photography, and I'm very happy with how everything turned out. As you all can probably see, it is still absolutely pouring snow, and tomorrow night I am expected to get about 7 inches of snow where I live, so it's going to be a fun time. Did you enjoy today's video? If so, please comment down below what your favorite photo was. If you want to help support me and you enjoy watching me do this, you can go to my website, www.rylandsamazingphotography.com. On there you can find information about where I sell prints, and I also have a book that I sell. The ebook that I sell starts as low as $10, and the prints that I sell start as low as $15. And any of those purchases really help me a lot. If you do purchase a print, you can use the code RAP5 to get 5% off of your order. That's all I have for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you so much for being here with me and tagging along with me today. Share the video with a friend, leave a like, subscribe if you haven't. That's all I got, and I hope you guys have an amazing day.